Hello friends, it's me Urmila Agarwal with a new video. Some people are asking me to, ma'am, how can we create a or add a thumbnail for our YouTube channel? So guys, today's our topic, how can we add and create a thumbnail for our channel. So first of all, you have to be install a app is here. I already installed a app that is a PixArt. Just open it. It's just taking some time. When I opening it, now I'm searching. Click on search option. If you want to be create your logo, then you can use anything from here, but I want to be creating a thumbnail, so just use SD background, and I'm selecting a option is here. If you want to be change this thing, you can be similar pictures are some here. You can choose any option according to your requirement, which one you have to be select. It's just taking some time. After that, click on remix option. When you click on this option, you can see the image is here. Now if you want to be anything here, like I want to be stickers, then you can select any sticker from here and paste is there. Like I'm selecting this one. It's not paid, so we can't to be used. We can be use this one. So just drag it and apply on our wall. Okay. So next is I want to be add a picture. Just drag his options are here. Click on OK this button and add a picture here. You can see here is an option is an add photo. When you click on it here, then you can select any image. I'm selecting this one image and click on add option. Now you can see here is my picture, and I want to be use a option that is the cutout. When I click on this cutout option, now it's asking background. If I will be click on this option cutout and outline. Agar I'm selecting outline, then you can be like in this way, but I'm using select option. Background may then it remove my picture is here, and rest of the background part will be here. Okay, like you can see here when I click on save option, so my picture will be removed and the part is there, but I don't want to be this. I want to my picture is here. Again click on the add photo and selecting a picture from here. Click on again add button, then go to the cutout option. Now selecting a person. When I select this, then you can see background will be completely removed from here, and click on save. Now my picture is here. I think previously. Okay. My picture is here. Now can I drag my image little bit, and now you can see just paste it here. Okay, and click on OK. Now I want to add some kind of the texts are here. अगर आपको text add करना है, so go to the text option, select this one and write here. I'm writing here technical Urmi and click on OK button. When I'm clicking here, then again you can be drag its size. You can rotate rotation also. Now I want to be change the style. So when you have to be move according to that, it will be change your style of font. If you want to be more options, then you can be select any one from here. Like I'm selecting from here this one, you can see there. If I want to be choose anyone, more options are here. You can choose anyone. Like in this thing, you want to be change the color, then go to the color option and you can change the color options also from here. So it's up to you which kind of the color you want to be there and change. If you want to be gradient options, then more options are here. Textures, you want to be change any kind of the textures from here. Like any one texture you want to be apply, you just apply it. And I want only color, so come back to one white color is here. So you can be after that, आपको शेडो चाहिए, स्ट्रोक्स चाहिए किसी तरह के, then you can be see there, but I don't want to be that, so just click on here OK button. Now some kind of the effect if you want to be there, then you can change according to your requirement, sketches, blur, anyone you want to be select according to your requirement. जो भी आपको पसंद हो आप कोई भी उसको यूटिलाइज कर सकते हैं. I don't want to be anything from here, so next option is ब्रशेज़ है, फिट है, आपको किस तरह का साइज़ चाहिए. मुझे इसका जो साइज़ है जस्ट फिट साइज चाहिए था. फिट रेशो ऑप्शन पे जाएंगे हम लोग, एंड देन आई विल बी सेलेक्ट, क्योंकि बिकॉज हम लोगों को यूट्यूब के लिए बनाना तो 16:9 रेशो में हम इसको सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. अदरवाइज यू जस्ट गो टू देयर एंड सेलेक्ट फॉर द यूट्यूब चैनल, देन click on OK button, and now you can select this option, that is the save option, and now picture is saved. Go to your galleries there. In gallery you can see this picture is here. Now how can we apply? Just go to your channel YT Studio. In YT Studio you download from your Google Play Store. In this option you can be select any video where you want to be change the picture. I want to selecting this one. Now you can see this option is here. When I click on this option, now click here and now change and select this one picture, select, and now you can see is this picture here. If you want to be save, and now you can see is here. ओके सो गाइस, इस तरह से आप अपनी पिक्चर को, इमेज को यहाँ पर थंबनेल बना करके लगा सकते हैं. आई होप इट विल बी हेल्पफुल टू यू टू क्रिएट और ऐड योर thumbnail on your YouTube channel. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and like and share it. Thank you.